All right, what's up everybody? Today is our Toys for Tots car show, so it's about 11 o'clock on Sunday. We're setting up, getting ready, so the show should start soon. So here we go.
Right now we're just waiting for everybody to show up, and I'm gonna go check out the new wheels on the Audi Q8 RS that Alpha 1 did. They were custom spec. They're, I believe, are they 2-piece or are they 3-piece? I don't know. I just know they're not single or like forged or whatever it's called, but I'm excited to see how they look. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see it really, but it's rivets all the way around, but it's every other. So you can see some of them are on the outside and every other one is inside outside, so it rotates. That way you only see half of them. And it's just a really clean look like that. And then it's got the carbon lip, and they're just really sweet wheels. It matches the car amazing, black on black, and then all the carbon accents go with the carbon lip, as you can see here, carbon everywhere. It's just a clean car.
All right, so we're here, show just started. Weather's not cooperating all that well, but that's all right. People are still showing up, I guess they don't care. So let's just walk around, we got our tent up by the front door. We got Alpha 1 over here. Here, we'll walk over, check their stuff out. Come here, bud. So these are Alpha 1 wheels, super high quality. You can see a couple designs here. Carbon lips, they make one-piece, 3-piece wheels, whatever you want. This is Ricky, he owns Alpha 1. He's the man.
What's up, guys?
So you see over here on this RSQ8, they just got done with a set of these. So these are factory size. They accept the factory center caps. Full carbon lip, gloss black faces. I think they look phenomenal, personally. I think it fits the vehicle really good. It might be hard to tell in the rain, but the car is black with the carbon package, so the wheels really set it off. So super high quality wheels, made in USA, which is hard to find a lot of times these days. So we're a distributor for them, and they can do custom designs. So if you see something on their website you like, or if you want something totally custom, we can do that too. Really, there's basically no limits to what they can do. So super cool wheel company, check them out. It's alpha1wheels.com. So we'll walk around and see what else is there. So that's like funnel vision. That's like a mobile diabetes van. So it's pretty good. There's a few cars over here. You want to walk down this little aisle here? So we got these walkie-talkies for the car show. So last time it's kind of like trying to communicate with all these different people is a little bit hard. So we got these walkie-talkies. They're actually badass. I think they're like $120 or some shit off Amazon. And they're driving down the road, so they go really far. So we can use them for running cars and videos and other things. But the chalupa is trying to talk like a truck driver. He's saying, something. I heard him say something. I need to check the trash can 14 clicks south or some stupid shit. Chalupa, he's a funny guy. He's got a good sense of humor. The last event we basically advertised it for like 2 weeks or some shit, and it was like we had like 300 signed waivers. So I'm guessing on average probably 2 people per car. So I'm guessing like 150 cars came. So this one, that was about 3 weeks ago. So we did this one before Christmas. So there's not that many people out here. It just started and it's raining. So, who knows? It might not be that much of a turnout, but that's okay. Gives us a chance, everybody hang out on Sunday, just kind of relax and do whatever. So either way, it is what it is. Yeah, so there's a few Hellcats over there. Yeah, some are customers, some are not. A lot of the cars that we do, we ship all over the country, or, sometimes, to other countries, so it's not like we have a huge local market. Ours is pretty much nationwide, but, we get a lot of local support. They come out, even if they don't have a car or customer, they like coming out and seeing the shop and talking to us, so we appreciate that. We like meeting everybody. And so Nate, y'all can't see it because Nate's trying to hold this umbrella above Brody. There he is. Keep Brody's camera dry. And he looks like Mary Poppins flying away with the umbrella going backwards. My favorite energy drink, actually my favorite energy drink is Bang.
Don't put that in there.
Yeah, don't put this in there. Bang energy drink's good. I just don't like that. I don't like that flavor. All right, so I got something cool to show y'all. This is kind of like our overflow lot out here. So a couple of these are like employee project cars or customers' cars, or Logan's got some 240s over here. He's a big 240 guy. And so we've got some cars kind of like waiting to be worked on or whatnot. But back here in the back, I got a delivery late last night from a good client. We built numerous cars for him, and he just got this car a couple weeks ago. We had some pretty cool plans for it, but as you can see, plans kind of got a little curtailed. So he has had the car for about 2 weeks, still has temp tags on it. So what happened is he was going down this 2-lane road. It's called Gun Highway. If you're not familiar with Tampa area, you won't know where that's at, but basically 2-lane road. And so he's going one way, and then there's a pickup truck coming the other way. And in front of the pickup truck, there's a car stopped, waiting to turn in to kind of come across the lane. So basically the guy in the pickup truck is not paying attention, and he waits too long to be able to brake. So I guess he's up against the dilemma of, is he going to just smash into the car that's waiting to turn, or what he's going to do. So he decided to veer left into this customer's lane. So he saw it and veered right a little bit. So the pickup truck basically hit the corner and launched up in the air and did a barrel roll, like up over top the windshield, and then went completely over the car. So the truck was destroyed. The guy in the truck went to the hospital. The client went to the hospital, but he's okay. I don't know about the guy in the truck. The Ford GT, I haven't looked at it extensively. It looks really bad, obviously because the whole damn wheel's off, but I'm not sure really like how bad it is. You can see the driver's side doors kinked up, so the frame is definitely, bent to some degree. I don't know whether they'll total it out or not. The car's expensive. We won't know till next week when we get into it, but let me show you all this. Okay, so this wheel is destroyed. It cracked it right here, and then at the bottom there is a huge gash, probably 8 inches across. Yeah, so the body's got a crack. So I don't know. We'll have to kind of get into it, but kind of unfortunate. There's not a ton of these cars, and like the yellow is a really hard color to get. So the customer's he's super excited about getting it. Like I said, 2 weeks, it's got temp tags. He said he loved driving it. So luckily nobody was hurt, and that's the most important thing. Car can be fixed or can be replaced. I don't think the guy in the truck was like seriously hurt, so that's a good thing. But I'm guilty of it too, sometimes texting and driving or not paying attention. Obviously stuff can go real bad.
So right now we're putting this a 200 shot of Nitrous from Nitrous Outlet, our good buddies there, and we're gonna see if this stock K224 can handle this power.
All right, well, we got it all hooked up now.
Hold that.
Now I just need the most important part of this, and that's my tube, or what is it? My hose.
It's all hooked up right now.
It's all hooked up now, ready to go.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
My name's Felipe, Forza Tuning. This is my 2004 CRV. Makes a little over 600 on the bottle. Yeah, man. Fully stock K24, high compression motor.
Do you have that that nitrous line ran into the cigarette lighter for maximum power?
It actually goes straight into the air conditioner. And sprays us in the face.
Okay,
So we're
okay.
just up all the time.
Okay.
Well, that's a little bit of that go-go juice right there.
guys.